Students, open the 9 textbooks, 94 page number, exercise 4.2. First question, we completed 3 bits. So, in the second and third remain, write down the first question, first second bit, 5, 4, 3. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 zeros. See students, 5, 4, 3, 9 zeros. See here, if you understand one problem, remaining will be same model. So this should be written in the standard form. What is the standard form? Don't write, see here. One, two, three, four, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. See, 300 can be written as 3 into 100. 300 is 3 into 100. 3 into 100 is 300. Suppose if it is 3000, 3 into 1000. Whatever zeros are there, we write here. After 1, we write those many zeros. Here, how many zeros? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 zeros. So, we write 9 zeros here. See here, 543. 3000 is 3 into 1000. Same way, 543, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 zeros. So 543 into 1, 9 zeros. Followed or not? See here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 power 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 power 9. But decimal should be after one digit. That is called standard form. There's only one digit. Decimal should be like this. So 5.43 into 10 to the power of something you write. So that should be 5.43, not 543. So how to change this into 5.43? Directly we can't write. We have to compensate it. So see here. If 543 is written as 5.43, if you are keeping the decimal, then multiply with, after decimal, how many digits? 2 digits, so 2 zeros. After decimal, 2 digits, so 2 zeros. Or directly, you can write 10 power 2, 2 digits to 10 power 2. That's all. 543 can be written as 5.43 after we want a decimal here. Always answer should be like this only. In the answer, decimal should be after one digit. After one digit, there should be a decimal. So we want a decimal here. For that, after decimal, 2 digits means 10 power 2. Into 10 power 9 is as it is. So 5.43 into 10 power 2 plus 9 is 11. 2 plus 9 is 11. Two plus 9 is 11. A power m a power n, a power m plus n. You can write one more step, m plus n. That's all. 2 plus 9 is 11. Same model, you try this and get the answer. Do it. Same model, you try the next one. See here, 483 into 1, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 10 power 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Decimal should be after one digit. Decimal is here. So to get the decimal here, 4.83 into 10 to the power of after decimal 2 digits, so 2. 483 is 4.83 after decimal 2 digits, so 10 power 2 and 5 is same. .483 is 4.83 after decimal 2 digits, no 100. So that this total is 483 only. This is same. Bases are same, in multiplication powers are added. 2 plus 5. 7. This is the standard form. Usual form changed into standard form. Standard form means decimal should be after one digit. Decimal immediately after one digit. That is called standard form. Following or not? Students, first question all bits we completed. Now second question, it is simple only, no problem. First read the question. Express the following numbers in the usual form. This will be given, we have to get this original number. Same model, this will be given, get the original number. Get the original number. .37 into 10 to the power of 5. See here. Normal number. This is a standard form is given. Change it into usual form. Removing the decimal, 10 power, nothing. Only 4,35,000, 37,000 something or 4 crores, whatever we get. See how I am doing. First, don't write anything. First, these two problems you listen carefully, then you can complete the remaining problems. Listen carefully, don't write. See, removing the decimal, say here, if you remove the decimal, how to remove the decimal? Don't look at this. 4.37, I want to remove the decimal. To remove the decimal, After 1, we have to take 2 zeros. This is the process of removing the decimal. If you remove the decimal, write 1. After decimal, how many digits? 2 digits. So 2 zeros. Decimal is removed. No decimal. This is the process for removing the decimal. To remove the decimal, write 1, 2 zeros. 2 digits, 2 zeros. 10 to the power of 5 means 1, 0, 0, 0, 5 zeros. 5 zeros. 5 zeros. 0, 0, 0, 0 cancel. 4, 3, 7 into 1000. 3 zeros answer. Simple. 2 zeros cancel with the denominator and numerator. 3 zeros, 4, 3, 7, 3 zeros. Same way you try this. Do it all of you, students. $58 by 1 after decimal 1 digit, so 1 0. After decimal 1 digit, so 1 0. Removing the decimal after decimal 1 digit, so 1 0. 10 to the power of 7 means how many zeros? 7 zeros. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 zeros. Ten to the power of 7 means 7 zeros. Removing the decimal, we will get 1. After decimal 1 digit means we will get 0. I will write same step one more time because directly if I cancel you may get confusion. Now 0 0 cancel. 58, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. This is the answer, usual form. This is the standard form. This is the usual form. Any doubt? Students, you write in the chat box following or not. Write your branch name. Third, (32.5 into 10 to the power of minus 4), 3.71529 into 10 to the power of 7. So write down. See here, we should not keep this negative power. So for simplification, first to make it minus, you take into the denominator so that it becomes plus 4. Minus 4 becomes plus 4. Minus 4 becomes plus 4. Minus 4 becomes plus 4 if you write in the denominator. See here. I am not removing the decimal because answer will be in decimal only, because this is the negative power, no? Positive power, we will get the answer, but negative power, again answer will be in the decimal only. I will explain. So first step is minus is written here, denominator plus. See here. 10 power 4 means how many zeros? 4 zeros. How to remove these zeros? See here, all of you see here. 5 by 10. Can you write in the decimal form? To remove one zero, 5 is one digit before we have to keep the decimal. 5 by 10 is 0.5. 1 0 removed means decimal is kept. You studied in the lower classes. 5 by 100 also in the decimal. 5. 2 zeros, to remove the 2 zeros, decimal should be before 2 digits. Decimal should be before 2 digits. So only one digit is there. So write 0 and put a decimal. This side, if there is nothing, we keep 0. No, don't confuse with that, because directly we don't write decimal. Something we write here, that is 0. Suppose, see here, 5 by 1000. How to write in the decimal form? 3 zeros removed means decimal before 3 digits. Decimal before 3 digits. Only one digit is here. One more 0, 2 digits. One more 0, 3 digits. Then decimal here. Here also, to remove 4 zeros, decimal should be 4 digits. Already decimal is here. Even we can remove this decimal by writing one more 0. So that also you can do. But anyway, answer is again in decimal. No, so I am not removing. How to remove 4 zeros here? To remove 4 zeros, decimal should be before 4 digits. Already here. So 4 digits you cross. Don't consider this 5. Leave it. So suppose if it is only 32. So 2 digits. Suppose we have 5 by 4 zeros. So 5 we write 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4 decimal. Like this. So here also, to remove the 4 zeros, decimal should be changed to 4 places. Don't consider 5. 1, 2, total 4 digits. 1, 2, 3, 4 zeros. 1, 2, 3, 4 decimal. 5 as it is. Because 5 is after decimal, no confusion with 5. So this is 1 digit, this is 2 digits. So total how many digits you want? 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 1 more 0, 1 more 0. Total 4 digits. Decimal 4 places we changed here to here. How many places we have to change? 4 places. Because to remove 4 zeros, decimal should be changed to 4 places. 1 place, second place, third, fourth. So if there is nothing here, we write 0. This is the answer. You understand this. If you have confusion with the decimal, you remove the decimal first only. Because anyway we are keeping the decimal, again removing, again keeping. So no, it is meaningless. So as it is you write 4 zeros removing means change the decimal place to 4 digits. 1, 2, 1 more 0, 1 more 0. Same here. This is simple. Previous model again. Don't write. See here. 3, 7, 1, 5, 2, 9. Remove the decimal. To remove the decimal, what we have to do? To remove the decimal, after decimal, how many digits? 1, 2. To remove the zeros, we put the decimal. To remove the decimal, we put the zeros. Reverse process. To remove the decimal, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 zeros. Into 10 to the power of 7 is 7 zeros. Already decimal is removed here. To remove the decimal, so we will get. Here I have not removed the decimal because negative power, no, anyway answer will be in decimal only. That's why I have not removed the decimal. You can remove. You can write 110 here because after decimal 1 digit only, no, 10 you write. Total 10 power 5. Like that also you can write. See here. If decimal is removed, decimal after decimal 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 zeros. One zero, 3 zeros, 4 zeros, 5 zeros cancel. Multiply with 100. 3, 7, 1, 5, 2, 9, 2 zeros. Answer. Fifth. Usual form. Change it into usual form. See here, students. Minus power right in the denominator. Minus will become plus. Minus, whenever power is negative, right in the denominator, minus will become plus. Minus power becomes plus power. Ten power 5 means 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 10 power 5 is 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 zeros. How to remove the 5 zeros? To remove the 5 zeros, decimal should be kept before 5 digits. So removing the 5 zeros, I explained 5 by 100, 5 by 10, 5 by 1000, 5 by 10,000 like that. To remove 5 zeros, so decimal should be kept before 5 digits. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 zeros. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 digits. Now decimal. 1, 2, 3, 4, put 0, 5 digits. So before that decimal. So this is the answer. Do the next one. See, otherwise the last problem which I explained, if you have any confusion why I am not removing the decimal like that, that also we can do. So after decimal 2 digits, no, 2 zeros. After decimal 2 digits, so 2 zeros. And this is 10 power minus 3, right in the denominator, 10 power plus 3. See here, 10 power minus 3 is 10 power plus 3. So now I remove the decimal. 10 power minus 3 is 10 power plus 3. If I remove the decimal, after decimal 2 digits, so 2 zeros I got. Decimal is removed. After decimal 2 digits, so we will get 100. 10 power minus 3, first make minus as plus, 10 power plus 3. So 2, 4, 3, 6, total 10 power 3 means 3 zeros, 2 zeros, total 5 zeros. I wrote 3 zeros, 2 zeros, 5 zeros. Remove the zeros, write in the decimal form. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 digits. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 0. Decimal. This is the usual form. This is the normal, the standard form. Actually, standard form means decimal should be here. But anyway, so total expansion and simplified value, usual form we are asked. Same model, total exercise is same model. So you do the next problem. Same model, nothing new. Already we solved all, each and every problem I am explaining. 0.0, how many zeros? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Write this in the standard form. Standard form. See here. Write it in the standard form. Standard form means, so a into something into 10 to the power of something, like this. Something into 10 to the power of something, that something should be only one digit. If there is more than one digit, decimal should be after one digit. See here. How I am changing? Very simple. 4 by after 1, first remove the decimal. Removing the decimal. After 1, after decimal, how many digits? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 digits. So 7 zeros. After decimal, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 digits. So 7 zeros. 7 digits, 7 zeros. 10 to the power of how much? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 10 power 7. Take into the numerator. This is the standard form. If it is only one digit, standard form. One digit into something to the power of something. The 10 to the power of something. This is the standard form. Same way you do it, simple, and get the answer, textbook answer. One, two, three, four, five, 6 digits, 6 zeros. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. One, two, three, four, five, 6. 10 to the power of 6 into the numerator, 10 to the power of minus 6. Removing the decimal, after 1, how many digits? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 digits. So 6 zeros. 6 zeros can be written as 10 to the power of 6. Into the numerator, 10 power minus 6. This is the standard form. 1 digit, see here, 1 digit into 10 to the power of something. Same. Copy the third question, students. All of you copy the third question. Same model, repetition, 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 same model. See here. See here. Three into what? Standard form is something into 10 to the power of something. Like, see here. 3 into 10 to the power of 5 or 7 into 10 to the power of something, or 2.56. Decimal should be after one digit. So this is also standard form. Like this. These are called standard forms. After decimal, decimal should be, if there is no other number, only one digit, no problem. That is a final value. But if there is more than one number, one digit, so decimal should be here. Like that, we have to change some simplifications. Here. 3 into how much? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 zeros. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 zeros. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. This is the standard form. If it is one digit, it is very easy. But more than one digit means we have to change like the decimal. So here more than one digit. Here it is very simple, 3. But here, see here, first step. 3, 8, 4, 4, 6, 7 into how many zeros? 3 zeros. First step I can write like this. Same way. 300 is 3 into 100. 400 is 4 into 100. 5000 is 5 into 1000. 7 lakhs is 7 into 1 lakh, like that. So this can witness this 3, 8, 4, 4, 6, 7 into 1, 0, 0, 0. 3 zeros we can write. But 3, 8, 4, 4, 6, 7 into 10 to the power of 1, 2, 3. And 1, 2, 3, 3 zeros, 10 to the power of 7. We can't write like this. This is not standard form. Standard form means there should be only one digit. We can't remove these digits. So, one digit, or if it is more digits, decimal should be after one digit. So, we have to get the decimal here. 3.84467. Decimal should be here. How to get the decimal here? Decimal should be here. Decimal should be here. So if I keep the decimal here, this I cannot write like this. These two are not equal. I cannot change these two like this. So I have to do something so that the value doesn't change. So see here. See, actually if there is nothing here, so we have to feel that decimal is here. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 places I am changing the decimal. So if I am changing the decimal to 5 places, then 10 power 5. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 places. After decimal there are 5 digits, so 10 to the power of 5. I am forcefully putting the decimal here. So if I forcefully put the decimal to compensate it, to keep the value same, I should write 10 power 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 10 power 5. So that if you multiply these two, we will get same number. This is same. This 10 power 3 is same. Only this I can write like this. I want decimal here. If I want decimal here, after decimal how many digits? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So you write 10 power 5. So that same number. Why I am writing this? Because this is, if you write the decimal after one digit, then only it is called a standard form. Bases are same, powers are added. 5 plus 3, 8. Write down, that is the answer. This is the answer. Like this, so all same model problems, but anyway, decimal problems will be confusing. Even in higher class also you may get this type of problems in 9th, 10th. Wherever you go, decimal problems will be confusing only. For everyone it is confusing. But I am teaching very slowly. Each and every problem I am explaining. So with complete steps, so you should not get any confusion. You should become perfect in this model. Students, practice these problems. And at the same time, even if you have any examples also on this model, you do the examples. Complete 4.2 exercise, whatever problems we did till now. First problem over, second over, third over. Tomorrow we may complete this chapter, full chapter also we may complete. Only few problems left. So tomorrow we will complete. Till then, thank you students. Goodbye.